sent you that package?
The Unicatz.
Amazing!
You Mommy?
What is that?
Good.
We got a memory match game.
We
We got some super fun bookmarks here from the Unicatz. Reading is so much fun. Super cool. The Unicatz sent us. Yeah, stickers.
Yeah, colorful book from the Unicatz.
Perfect to kill some time while we're waiting on dinner.